Hi everyone, Dr. Michael Van here at HB Chiropractic, and today I want to show you how to use the Denneroll. Now this is a special device to help with your neck curve, and let me explain a little bit more, because a lot of people, they come in, and if this is the back, this is the front, this is your neck here, a lot of people come in with forward head posture and a lack of curve in the neck. Well, our goal to restore proper spinal biomechanics is to have a perfect curve that looks like this, kind of like a reversed C shape. And so in order to get this, adjustments help a great deal, but also too, you got to do your at-home care. And one of your biggest things to do is the Denneroll, and I'm going to show you how to do it properly. Now, depending on what your x-rays look like and where your curve is basically lacking, you can either use it on the lower neck, mid neck, or upper neck. Most common, about 90% of the time, you're going to use it on the lower neck setting, and that's what I'm going to demonstrate today. And so what you do, you're going to see this device here. It's going to say shoulders this side on one side of the Denneroll, so you want to make sure that's facing your shoulders. You want to do this on flat ground, so either on like a carpeted area or even like some hardwood floor with a yoga mat on there. To be honest, this is actually a little too cushy for my liking, but we're going to show it on you anyway, just for the demonstration. But you're going to set this down here, and when I lay down here, I'm going to lay on my back, and you want this hugged up real low against the shoulders. So you're going to notice your upper traps are going to fit right in that groove right there. So once I have it there, I'm then going to roll my head over just like this. And so you can see how my head is able to roll all the way around, helping restore that curve. If this device is too high, I can't even roll my head up there. So you know it's got to be trapped down and a lot lower so the head can actually have room to roll around. And now this is key. I like to start everyone with 3 minutes. And what you do is you're going to have your hands interlaced right on your belly. And you're going to set your timer for 3 minutes. You get on it, and what I want you to do is I want you to deep breathe. And by deep breathing, I mean using your diaphragm to breathe. So I like to have my hands right on my belly, because every time I inhale, I should feel my tummy expand. Every time I exhale, my tummy should go down. And so this helps you basically avoid the shallow chest breaths and using your diaphragm and your belly to use your breaths, which is going to help actually hydrate your discs even further. So doing that, I close my eyes and I do that until the timer goes off. Now once the timer goes off, I want you to be very careful. Since you've been in this position for so long, I don't want you just to get up right away and use these muscles, because your neck is going to be temporarily unstable. So instead, you're going to activate your core. I'm going to take one hand and help lift my head up just like this, putting minimal pressure on my head. I'm going to take one hand out, and then I'm going to lay my head back down and just let the blood recirculate for about 30 seconds before I get up. You know, the last thing you want to do is hold this position for a long time and then get up by using that. It's a way to cause some injury there. But you start off with 3 minutes. If 3 minutes is okay and you're not too sore, go up to 4 minutes, go up to 5 minutes, go up to 1 minute increments until you hit to 15 to 20 minutes max. And then that's a comfortable area that you can actually stay at. And so once you get your optimal curve, you can just do that once or twice a week just for curve maintenance, just for kind of optimal health and wellness. And I do that about twice a week at home whenever I have time, and it feels great. So give it a try. Talk to your chiropractor on what setting you should have, and make sure you're getting proper advice on exactly where to place it. All right, thank you.